how to download offline maps on Google Maps. In this video, I will show you how to do that. So first thing, go to Google Maps and go to the profile icon on the top and choose offline maps. Click on it. Okay, so select your own map. And right now what you need to do is select the area that you want to download on Google Maps. So for example, I want to download for example this area. Okay, this area. So they say download will use up to 50 mega. So if you download long or big area, the size is up. Okay, so as you can see here, and here when I choose big area, the size is up. So as you can see here right now. Okay, so for example, I want to download this small area. I click download and I choose download now. Okay, so right now Google Maps are downloading the offline Google Map right now. Okay, so you need to wait, and after you download the offline map, you can find the offline maps on the same place. Okay, and you will find the name of the area that you downloaded. Okay, as you can see here, I am already download the location already, so I found the name of the city or the area. Okay, so if you are on United States and you download I don't know, Massachusetts, for example, area, you will find the name Massachusetts. Okay, so this is how you can download offline maps on Google Map. So if this help or this video really help you, subscribe my channel. As you can see here, when I click, you will see this is the map that we downloaded. So subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.